Antswish Windshield Repair Kit Cracked Glass Repair Kit to fix auto glass windshield crack chip scratch. Easy to operate. This windshield repair kit is easy to use, allows anyone make permanent airtight repairs on most windshield glass. Our glass repair kit can quickly and effectively repair chips and cracks, bullseye, spiderweb, star-shaped, nicks in 20 to 30 minutes. Upgrade repair fluid. The fluid of our car windshield repair kit is upgraded with up to 25 PA shear strength, non-yellowing resin that is 5 times stronger than glass. The repair location will not be broken, even though glass break. Vacuum design. Unique vacuum design will prevent air getting in the gel and effect on the repair outcome. This car windshield repair kit have a vacuum function to quickly remove the air from the crack, and the reinforced injection molding sealing head can generate strong pressure to force the resin into the crack. It helps you minimize the crack to achieve better windshield repair effects. Cost effective. This glass repair kit includes everything you need to repair your windshield glass. It can restore windshield to about 90% optical clarity.A economic choice to save your time and money to prevent damage from spreading. Safe and warranty all material without chemicals or toxic material. We offer 30 days money back guarantee. If you have any quality related issues with this item, please feel free to contact us. We can provide technical support when you need.